Hey guys, it's Sunny here. Just trying to drop another EXP kvCORE nugget for you guys. This is going to be in my kvCORE 103 advanced class. Just a kvCORE advanced class. So just wanted to drop a little nugget for you guys. One of the things that I've been working on is how to post listings, our listings, EXP listings from kvCORE over to Craigslist. So I've created this little program, little tool, and this is hands-free. All I have to do is hit play over here in the green button, and press the button to start a new recording. Okay, let me pull up my recording on this one, and let's try that again. So this is completely automated. I tried to do this around 8 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock, and 4 p.m. So I probably post anywhere from 15 to 20 listings directly over to Craigslist. Again, this is hands off. I'm not touching anything. This has been pre-scripted, pre-recorded into the program that I'm using here. It'll go down here and it'll put my license number in here for me. Once that's done, they'll put in the show my phone number will be checked. Phone calls, okay, will be checked. Text messages will be checked. And then they'll jump over and add my phone number automatically as well. And then I'll go over 2 fields and add my name to it. So all this happens within like a 30 second, give or take, depending on your internet speed. And so it'll automatically continue. It finds the location by the zip code, and then it'll automatically publish it. And then it'll go to a step further. It'll close this window here, and it'll close the next window here as well. So at this point, I can start posting other ones as well. So now let's go to this one here, right here. Okay, this one is in Dallas. It's 779. So let's go here. We're going to open that up on a new window. And then once again, very simple for me. I just hit play, and I'll just sit back and relax, or have my cup of coffee. Oh, it messed up there. I don't know what happened. Hey guys, Sunny here with the Winner Circle Network with the XP, of course. Hey, just wanted to drop a quick nugget for how to post from kvCORE listings that we have for EXP listings, how to post them from there over to Craigslist. I do this, try to do this 8 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and 4 p.m. I do anywhere from 10 to 15 postings, sometimes 20 depending on my time. So this is going to be in my advanced kvCORE, kvCORE Advanced 103 class. Show you how to do this. This one here, I've got it scripted out where it automatically starts posting this for me. I just hit the play button here where it's green. I've already written the script. Let's open up a new script, and we'll hit play. So all this is done hands-free. I've already recorded it. It's a pre-recorded program. All the scripts are in there. It knows exactly where to go, what to click, and automatically from kvCORE, you'll automatically post this listing over to Craigslist. It will input my my license here as well. It should enable show my phone number. Phone calls are okay. Text messages, SMS are okay. Should add my phone number and my contact information. So guys, this all takes about 30 seconds per listing. So minimal amount of your time. But again, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. You can post 20, 30, 40 listings a day. The reason I do it at 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 4 o'clock is usually because people are free around that time, especially if they're looking for a house and they go to work, and they'll close both of those windows and they'll come back right here to this main one here. So with that, more to come. It's just a small nugget for now, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.